All right, today I have the Manduka GRP Adapt yoga mat right here. It's designed for ultimate grip in both wet and dry conditions. This is the 5 millimeter version of it. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the wrapping paper. Almost if it's Christmas, but it's not. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Now, pull this out. Now, with the beauty of this map right here, it's designed for ultimate grip in both wet and dry conditions. This is known for when it gets wet, it actually gets a little bit more grippier. Got that grippy grip, right? Okay, so right here, it's 5 millimeter version, adaptive grip technology, it says right there. Unparalleled grip in all conditions, responsive, ride, supportive, yet springy, enhanced performance, unique 4-layer construction. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. And this is what it looks like on the side right here. Let me show you this a little closer. It says open cell foam, cell scrim, rubber foam. There's a lot going on. We'll take a look at that in a second. I'm gonna go ahead and roll this out. Go ahead and roll this out so you can see what we're gonna be working with. So you can see it's the 5 millimeter right here. I'm gonna go ahead and roll this out. How do I roll this out? I'm gonna roll it out this way. It's a little sticky because that's a grippy grip. Put it that way. So you can see that mat right here. Get a little bit. All right, see, that's the mat. And then closer so you can see the grippy grip. You can look down here, you can see that mat is fairly grippy on the side, the top side. Reverse side is good for on the floor. Smooth surface right here. You can feel the grippiness. I'm gonna test it out with a little bit of water to see how it does. Let me grab some water really quickly. I have a little bit of water. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of water on here just to see what they're talking about. So with the water on there, it does slippery, but it actually does grip a little bit more once it gets wet. So that's what the technology that they were talking about is supposed to be good. I can't wait to try this out, but that is the Manduka. Let's look at what they were talking about on here. Adapt. Now, getting closer so we can actually see this. It says open cell foam, unparalleled absorption, cellular scrim. Not exactly sure what the scrim means, but it says cellular scrim absorbs moisture and keeps it from diffusing deeper into the mat. Okay, so that's a scrim. Foam rubber, unique construction allows for higher density and responsiveness. Need that. And embossed rubber provides superior grip to the floor. That's cool, good to know. And what they say up here, it says that the grip ride performance introducing the newest member of the GRP family, proprietary 4-layer construction provides an ideal blend of secure grip, moisture absorption, and responsiveness. Superior traction in both wet and dry conditions, plush surface, grippy, non-sticky, supportive feel with just the right amount to give unparalleled absorption. No, that's another sentence. Unparalleled absorption and quick dry time, which is needed when it's getting wet. So this is the mat in all its glory. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.